Kung napapansin mo na mas lutang ang paningin mo sa gabi, lalo na pag nagdadrive, hindi yan pagod lang. Night vision expose optical weaknesses na hindi halata sa daytime. Ito yung tatlong pinaka-common triggers bakit nangyayari yan. 1. Wrong lens coating for night driving. Hindi lahat ng coatings equal. Some coatings actually increases glare instead of reducing it. Number 2, uncorrected minor astigmatism. Minsan, konting astigmatism pero hindi na naa-address dahil okay naman sa reading card. Pero at night, lumalabas talaga yung distortion. Number 3, cheap polycarbonate scattering light. Pag mababa ang quality ng lens, the light rays bounce inside the lens, kaya nagsa-sunburst effect and halos, lalo na sa headlight. Sa Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we calibrate clarity under real night condition, not just bright room test. So kung gusto mo ng clearer night driving, less glare, less stress, and less guessing, DM Night Drive. Clarity isn't daytime only, dapat kahit gabi.